Ito ay isang emergency broadcast. Mangyaring nakatutok sa mensahe ng para sa mga importanteng impormasyon. Isang global cyberterrorist group ang nagtatangkang manghack ng mga sumusunod: power grids, telecommunications, MRT stations, mga pasilidad ng PNP, NBI, at AFP, at iba pa. Apektado din ang ibang mga bansa sa sitwasyong ito. Ilang mga facilities ng NATO sa Europa ang napasa kamay ng grupo. Ilang mga satellites ang posibleng napasa kamay ng grupo. Kaya eto ang mga maaaring gawin sa sitwasyong ito. Iwasan muna ang pagtawag. Maaring ma-access ng grupo ang iyong mga sinasabi sa pagtawag. Isara ang Wi-Fi at Internet dahil maaring ma-access ang iyong impormasyon. Ipagtulungan ngayon ng FBI ng Amerika, China, at ang EU upang mahanap at mapigilan ang mga cyber attacks.
This is an emergency broadcast. Please stand by for this urgent information. A global cyber-terrorist group is now attacking and trying to take control of the following: power grids, telecommunications, MRT stations, PNP, NBI, and AFP facilities. Many other countries are affected by this situation. Some of the facilities of NATO and Europe are taken control by the terrorist. There are possibility that there are other satellites that were under their control. Please do the following safety measure to ensure safety on this cyber crisis. Avoid making calls, as the terrorists may take advantage to record your voice on call. Close down the Wi-Fi and Internet, as the terrorists may took control of the Internet and may take your information with it as of now. The FBI from America and countries such as China and countries of EU to help track down and defeat cyber attacks.